Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nandi. So in today's video, I'm just going to talk to you guys about how I worked out with the trainer. So this is my first time I've ever worked out with the trainer, and it was a really good experience, I will say. Usually I'm so used to like doing workouts by myself, so this was like a complete change of pace, like having someone else tell me the workouts to do and just having me execute it. So it was a lot better than me trying to figure out what workouts I was going to do myself and then having to plan it out a day ahead and then execute it like that. It was a lot better. I already know the trainer. It's a friend of mine, so I met up with her. Her name is Brittani. I'll leave her information down below, but she is a certified personal trainer, and we went to one of the gyms that I love to train in.
No, actually, you're gonna keep your hands off the whole time.
I will say, if you don't know where to start, I think a trainer would probably be in your best interest. Now, there are a lot of different trainers out there, so it's kind of like finding the right fit for anybody. If you have a trainer and you don't like them, or you currently have a trainer and you don't like them, it's okay to just go ahead and switch trainers and find one that's a better fit for you. So that's one thing I will say. You don't have to be stuck with a trainer that you don't like, or a trainer that you think is not helping you meet your goals. You can absolutely switch trainers, and I would recommend that you do. Another thing that I like about working out with trainers is that they help critique your form. So obviously form is a huge part of any workout routine, any workout regimen that you have to avoid injury, and to just make sure you execute the workout properly so that it targets the correct muscle groups. Form is extremely important, which I'm sure a lot of you have probably heard before. And if you've never heard it, form is extremely important. Another thing, I see a lot of people say that they either like start a workout routine and then they stop, or they like have a workout routine, but they're like so iffy with it. And that's because they need accountability. Like they need motivation. So when you are working out with the trainer, that is huge accountability, because if you have an obligation to meet your trainer at 7 in the morning, you don't show up, not only are you wasting your time, but you're now wasting someone else's time who's at the gym waiting for you. So I think if you are one of those people who have trouble with accountability, definitely look into getting a trainer, because I really think that it would be beneficial. So girl, if that's you, get a trainer. I've been working out for years now at this point. And what I will say is that when you're with a trainer, there are literally tons of workouts in the world that you can do. Like, there's a way to make workout out of anything. And so when you're working with like a trainer, they can like challenge you more. You can be doing workouts that you have not thought of, that you have not done. So, you know, definitely I would say find the right fit for you. So if you are like a more intermediate or advanced trainer, then the trainer that you have will be on that same level and be able to challenge you instead of taking you back in your goals. So fit is extremely important and definitely something to look at. You want to assess where you are, but also, you know, make sure that you're not getting a trainer that is taking you too far. If you are still between like a beginner and an intermediate, don't get a trainer that's like gonna push you over the edge. Like, don't get no trainer that's gonna kill you. Like, you obviously want to be challenged, but like, don't get carried away with it. Like, don't act like you can handle more than you can, because that's what the trainer's for, to help build up your strength so that you can eventually get to that level. You don't have to start at that level, so it's okay. Also, what I want to stress, which I know y'all are probably tired of hearing, if you are doing anything weight loss related, weight gain related, diet. You can get as many trainers as you want. You can get as many waist trainers as you want. You can do whatever you want. But if your food isn't right, then your body's not right. I know y'all have heard that it's like 20% working out and 80% what you're eating. So if you go home from a really good day of getting your butt kicked at the gym by your trainer, and then you come home and eat a pizza, hold on though, because I did that before. So what y'all not gonna do is come for me. So we gonna give a different example. That's not gonna get you the goals that you want to see. You know what I mean? Like, tastes good. It does taste really good. But listen, do you want to reach your fitness goals, or do you want to enjoy a slice of pizza? I mean, honestly, I feel like there's a way that you can do both. You just got to figure out what works for you. My experience with the trainer, I mean, I had a great time. It was really fun. It was nice not having to think about anything, just show up and do the work. Yeah, I will recommend a trainer. Definitely will recommend a trainer. If you all live in the Florida area, then hit my girl Brittani up. She is a certified personal trainer and she will get you right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, thank you guys so much for the support, and remember to do something for yourself today. Bye.